Hi, this is Trevor Conquergood from Sunset Stitches here in sunny Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, Canada. And I'm super duper excited because I'm going to be visiting my friend Rob and all of the wonderful people down there in Colorado at the Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum. You guys, I can't wait to get there. Something you might want to know about me is that I'm a huge fan of doing machine embroidery. I've been creating embroidery basically all of my adult life, over 35 years. And one of my very favorite things to do is to talk about it. And so we'll be visiting all four of Rob's awesome sewing stores there around Colorado, starting at Colorado Springs on the 7th of September. And then we're in Aurora on the 8th, and it's called Arvada on the 9th, and finishing off in Littleton on the 10th. You guys can pick any one of those days. They're all the same day, and so you can choose the location that you'd like to attend. But this is going to be an event that you're not going to want to miss. If you're even interested in machine embroidery, then I invite you to come and meet me in Colorado. Bring your questions. My goal is to help you learn as much as we can possibly in one day about how to do embroidery. It's a fantastic Floriani event. There'll be an attendee gift for coming, and I'm working on some extra special embroidery designs just for you guys. And so I can't wait to get there, and I hope to meet you in person. So please either call the store or go on the website and sign up, because I know that seating is limited and this is going to be an awesome event. You don't want to miss it. So until then, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for listening, and bye for now.